One thing we're asked to do in this chapter is to compare different values. We can compare fractions, compare decimals. We want to know which one is bigger, which one is smaller, are they equal? So here we just have a couple of examples. We have 2/3 compared to 3/4. Now, it can be kind of tricky to compare fractions, so my advice to you would be to let's turn them into decimals. We use decimals more often, it's just an easier comparison to make. So 2 divided by 3, you can type it out on your calculator if you're not sure. It is a 0.6 repeating. 3 divided by 4 is a 0.75. So now that we can see their decimal values, which one is bigger, which one is smaller, and then just to do this comparison, if it gets confusing ever, go place value by place value. So first we're going to compare the number after the decimal on each one. You have a 6 compared to a 7. Because 6 is smaller than 7, that means that 0.6 is less than a 0.75. So we're going to go ahead and put in our less than symbol. 2/3 is less than 3/4. Alright, moving on to the second example, 2/9. You divide that on your calculator, you're going to get a 0.2 repeating. Anytime that you divide by 9, you get a repeating decimal, just a heads up. Compared to, this one is already in decimal form, a 0.2. Now a lot of people want to say that these are two equal values because you see a 0.2, a 0.2. So what impact does this repeating piece have on our answer? It actually means a lot or has a big impact. If we do a comparison, you have a 0.2 compared to a 0.2. Well, right now they are equal. However, 0.2 repeating does continue, so I know that there's another 2 on here. So now I'm going to compare this 2 with the number after this decimal. Well, this one doesn't have a repeating symbol, so we can go ahead and fill in a 0. And now we can see it's clear that this 2 is greater than this 0. So a 0.2 repeating, because it has all those extra 2's, will be greater than just your regular 0.2. So 2/9 is greater than 0.2. And that's how you compare. Just turn them into decimals and then do a decimal comparison.